Hi everybody, welcome to Grandpa's Story Time. We're out here on the back deck in Stony Point, New York. We're going to read a story today called Row, Row, Row Your Boat by Jane Cabrera. The artwork in this book is beautiful. I think you're going to love the pictures in this book. I want to say hello to my granddaughter, Nora Sophia, out in California, and Elena Jane in Pearl River, New York. How are you guys doing today? And Mason down in Delaware. How you doing today, Mason? I see you're going to school for your first day today. Good luck. Good luck in daycare today. And today's book is brought to you by the Stony Point Library, which I will be going to today. To get 10 new books. So if you guys want to hear a particular book, you just let me know and I'll pick it up for us, okay? Row, row, row your boat. Sun is in a weird spot here. Let me see if I can make it a little better for us. Like that. Yeah. That's a little better, I think. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, that's like the song, isn't it? You see the beautiful pictures? Row, row, row your boat slowly down the creek. If you see the swimming mice, don't forget to squeak. Eek! Row, row, row your boat, splish, splash, and splatter. If you see the monkey swing, don't forget to chatter. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Row, row, row your boat past the old tree stump. If you see the elephant, don't forget to trump. Barah! Aren't the pictures beautiful? Row, row, row your boat through the narrow gap. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to snap. Snap, snap. Row, row, row your boat closer to the shore. If you see a lion smile, don't forget to roar. Roar. Row, row, row your boat. Watch the tiger prowl. If you see his mighty pounce, don't forget to growl. Roar. Row, row, row your boat beneath the sky so blue. If you see the singing doves, don't forget to coo. Coo, 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 coo. Row, row, row your boat. Now it's getting dark. If you see mommy dog, don't forget to bark. Woof, 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 woof. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Wearily, 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 wearily. Snuggle up and dream. The end. Well, like I said, we're on the back deck. It's September 4th or 3rd or 4th, and we're closing the pool today. It's a sad day. And we're going to put a new liner in it, too, this fall. We got a guy coming over to take a look at it. And let's see, we got a couple weeks coming up. In a couple weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, we'll be heading out to California to visit my granddaughter Nora and her first birthday party. Happy birthday almost, Nora. And we'll see you guys very shortly. We love you. Grandpa, out.